Presumptuous desire has settled itself in my heart, but my hope doesn't tell me it can ever be completed. So high it has thrust itself, nor does my sense grant me that I should despair of it. And I am split in two like this, that I do not despair, nor dare I have hope. For I feel myself climb so high to order that my power is small, which fear chastises me. For such boldness as I do harms many people, but of one comfort I am joyful, that springs to me from the other side, and shows me that humility has so much in its power that good can come to me from it. So much is my heart fixed there, that the lie seems truth to me, that such suffering is leisure to me. But still I know it is truth that good persistence conquers, for which I pray you, worthy lady, that you suffer me just this much, and then I will be nobly paid, that you let me want the joy I desire to see. It will appear to me as foolishness and to overbold desire, when just one look had deceived me so quickly, that secretly a desire came to my heart, such that I was made in love. But since then it has doubled so strongly, that morning and evening it makes me sweetly suffer. For I feel myself climb so high, that good can come to me from it. In nothing do I feel myself harm toward you, except that my knowledge fails me in speaking pleasures, and because I am excessive in loving loyally, I believe my sense fails me. But if it were rightly judged, I should never be blamed for it. For such no sense you should hold in gratitude. But now singing does not please me, if holding back were worth anything to me. But leaving it not caring would be joy and solace to me. From now on, since the empress is lessened by it, she whom youth has raised to the highest favors, and if my heart were not forced, I would well show how a fool knows how to fall. Sweet gracious one, let humility conquer you, since no other joy pleases me, and of other desire